So hey guys, I ordered this Just Herb mini lipsticks from Amazon, and these are nude shade lipstick. So this is the shade 1, and this is too light, light brown kind of, so I don't like much. And this is the second shade. This is kind of peach pink, and this is good. And this is the third shade. This is kind of pink, and I am not wearing any makeup. These shades are too good. So as you can see the pigment of the shade, and this is the fourth shade. This is kind of rust shade, and this is the look, and I love, this is my favorite. And this is the last shade. This is chocolate brown color, and these are the shades. And I love nude color, like seriously I love. And this is the last shade, and this is also a good shade. So these are the shade. Which one you like, comment down. And if you want to buy it, go on Amazon and just buy. So these are the lipsticks, mini lipsticks, and these are the shades. So comment down and follow me for more. Bye.